In this video, I have a talk about the life of Mendel. A number of scientists had worked on plant hybridization during the 18th and 19th centuries prior to Mendel. Some of the more notable scientists from among them are Joseph Colrester, John Gross, Sang Reid, Darwin, etc. Mendel was born in 1822 in Moravia near Bonn in Austria, now born in Czechoslovakia in the family of a poor farmer. During his childhood, he had financial and health problems. Unable to continue his studies due to poverty, he joined the St. Augustine Monastery at Bonn in 1843, and in 1847 he became a priest. In 1851, he went to the University of Vienna, where he studied physics, mathematics, philosophy, etc. Although Mendel was a sincere and hard-working student, he did not do very well in his studies, particularly in physics and mathematics. After completing his studies, he returned to Bonn in 1854, where he was appointed as a substitute science teacher. His performance as a science teacher was excellent. In addition, he worked as a priest in the local church. He began to collect pea seeds for his experiments in 1857 from commercial seed grown all over the Europe. He conducted all his experiments in the kitchen garden of his house within the church premises using his own resources. After 7 years of extensive experimentation, he presented his studies before the Natural History Society of Bonn at meeting of 8th February and 8th March 1865. The paper entitled Experiment in Plant Hybridization was published in German language in the annual proceeding of the society in 1866. This volume of the proceeding was distributed to many libraries of Europe and North America. Later, Mendel became increasingly involved with the work of monastery, but he continued his studies on honeybee and some other plants. Gregor Johann Mendel died in 1884 at the age of 62 years, perhaps considering himself as a scientific failure. In 1900, three scientists working independently of each other, namely Hugo de Vries in Holland, Karl Korens in Germany, and Erich von Trechmark in Austria, rediscovered the paper by Mendel during their research of literature for data supporting their own findings. After his rediscovery, there was a spurt of interest in the Mendel's finding. The term genetics was coined by Batson. It is derived from a Greek word meaning to generate. However, the first and the most important contribution to genetics appeared as early as 1866 when Gregor Johann Mendel published his work in the latter half of 19th century. He is known as father of genetics for his basic, classic and monumental work in his field. Thank you for listening.